Hi, I'm Joseph Gower. I'm a carpenter and general builder, and I'm here currently renovating my own home. So now we're going to cut out an electrical box in the wall. I've marked an X already where the wires are. If you don't know where the wires are, you can use an electrical finder to check, and also use a stud finder to check that you're not going into the stud work. I've switched off the electrical group, so it's all safe to go. Now we take the electrical box, we place it in the middle of the X. We'll use a level to make sure it's perfectly square. Now we can take a pencil and trace around the box. That leaves us exactly where we need to cut. We're using the multi-purpose cutting kit again with a 560 spiral cutting bit. It has non-sharp edges, which is brilliant because if we do touch any of the wires in the wall, it won't damage the wire. I'm going to set the depth to 15mm because I know that the plasterboard is 9.5mm. We don't want to go too deep because we want to avoid any of the wires behind there. Now I've set the RPM to 30,000. That gives it a nice smooth cut. Now if you stop just before the end, you can use a screwdriver and just pop out that piece. And there we have a hole for the electrical box. Now we're going to cut the wires down. Make sure you don't cut too much of the wire because when you need to access the socket again in the future, you don't want to get shocked. And now I've finished putting on the faceplate and we have a socket ready to be used. I hope you have some tips and tricks for yourself when you're renovating a home or moving into a new place. All the best, good luck.